Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem if your Snapchat account has been blocked for violating community guidelines. So maybe you violated some guidelines and that's why your account got blocked. If you want to reopen your account, you just need to follow these steps to fix the issue you're facing right now. First, go back to your settings and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that VPN is not connected. Then, simply open Google Chrome and go to help.snapchat.com. Just wait for a second, and you'll see the main interface. Scroll down and tap on the option Contact Us. Now you'll see many options. Select the one related to your problem. For example, if you cannot access your account, tap on I cannot access my account. Then choose My account is locked. After that, scroll down and find the option Visit the account portal. Tap on it, then enter your Snapchat username and log in. Once logged in, you can submit your complaint and explain the issue. Remember, if you violated community guidelines, your account may remain blocked, so avoid breaking any rules again. After signing in, you'll see the request option. And that's it for today's video.